係，我唔係古巨基，我亦都唔係古 Sir， 我係來文王子。我最中意唱歌噶啦，見係你唱首歌你聽下先。唱之前都係飲啖嘢潤下喉先嚇。喂，點解我變咗隻青 B B 嘅青蛙㗎？
各位觀眾朋友，你哋好啊！歡迎嚟到公主廚房。今日咧，我會教大家煮一味田雞粥。材料方面就會有水啦、米啦，同埋一隻好靚嘅田雞嘅。吓？點解會變咗青蛙㗎？
泰安娜公主啊，麻煩你啊，錫我啦，唔該。
來文王子，乜你咁唔小心㗎？又中咗咒語變咗青蛙。好啦，我知點做㗎啦。
好嘢，變翻做人啦！但係好似有啲嘢唔同咗，但係把聲依然都咁靚喎。唔該晒，泰安娜，泰安娜，去咗邊啊？唔好意思，搞到你變咗青蛙添。
唔係青蛙，你搞到我變咗田雞啊！
I suppose you want a kiss.
Kissing would be nice, yes? I am Prince Naveen. Of Maldonia.
Prince.
I was cursed by a witch doctor. 1 minute I am a prince, charming and handsome, cutting a rug, and then the next thing I know, I'm tripping over these.
Everyone thinks they know the story of the princess and the frog.
You must kiss me.
Excuse me?
Please, princess. It will make me human again.
Just one kiss.
Unless you beg for more.
But no one knows what happened after the kiss. Until now.
How did you get way up there? And how did I get way down here and all this?
Coming only to cinemas. In the tradition of Walt Disney's most beloved classics comes the story behind the most magical kiss the world has ever known.
This gonna be good.
公主與青蛙2月11同你拜年。